Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, May 5th. Friday, May 5th. It's so many things that we can celebrate today. First, it's Cinco de Mayo, and it is Friday. Friday.
Ours be gone! It's Friday! 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 The party's done!
See, I'm even wearing my Taco Cantina shirt. It is what it is. Okay, so Friday, May 5th. All right, what do we got? We have some U.S. numbers here at 8:30. Just got released. Average hourly earnings at 0.5% versus 0.3. So better. What does that mean? It means people made more money. Non-farm employment change positive by 253,000, greater than expected. And what does that? It means more people are working. Good news. Unemployment rate. What is that? 3.4 versus 3.6. Better than expected. More people are employed. This is a good thing. So, of course, the market didn't like it, at least initially. So all these things are good things. However, they also add more to the Fed possibly continuing to raise rates as the employment market is extremely strong. We have some other 1 o'clock FOMC member Cook speaks, no big deal. And at 3 o'clock, we have consumer credit month over month. Again, not a big deal. Yellow items, low impact. So what do we got going on the daily chart here? I've drawn a couple of extra lines, some trend lines, showing that we are continuing to coil up. Now, the closer we get to the apex here, the more and more energy the market is developing by going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And when it does break, it is going to be a significant move to the upside or to the downside. If it breaks, and we're at the very bottom of this little band here, which is the flagging pattern we've been talking about for a long time. So it's just showing that we continue to go back and forth, sideways action, building energy. Now, whether we break to the upside or break to the downside, nobody knows. But we are certainly seeing some coiling action going on here. That being said, let's take a look at the inventory, because inventory is really interesting. Down price yesterday, up inventory. Buying the dip, buying the dip. We keep seeing this behavior over and over again, buying the dip. Will it work? Don't know. But at least in the short run, it looks like it is working because we are up at least in pre-market action. Don't know, but this is what I believe this is what this is saying, is that people are buying the dip. Taking a look at the intraday for some support and resistance. Here, first, let's look at the employment news was so positive, and of course the market didn't like it. It went down immediately because the first thing everybody thinks is, oh no, the Fed's not done yet. But it's really, really good news, which is bullish. So then it's starting to go up. Now, whether it stays up or not, have no idea. But you can see how the emotions of the market work in real time. That being said, let's take a look at, a resistance levels. So do we have any? We got a resistant level at 41.2650. We got a little bit more at 41.46. And you got two levels up here. I'm actually going to get 165, 41.65, and 41.78. So there's actually four levels of interest today of resistance. Support. What do we have support-wise? We have some support. Look, it bounced right off of that support at 40.9375. Got some more at 40.77. Some at 40.62. Now, 40.62 is really actually a very strong number. If it doesn't bounce there, we break 40.60. Could get really nasty. You might want to write that number down. If we get below 40.60, it's going to go down farther. It gets ugly down there. So those are your support and resistance for today. Have a great weekend. Cinco de Mayo. Woohoo! Friday. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Have a good weekend. See you Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the TroyLevels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.